is almost half the battle when it comes to getting your content read on LinkedIn. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to make sure when you're copy and pasting from Notion into your LinkedIn that you're maintaining the best possible formatting and giving your readers content that is easy to skim and understand. So here's a look at what we're trying to achieve when it comes to formatting on LinkedIn. If we take one post as an example, we want to use lots of white space between sentences, give this a lot of room to breathe. You can see a few of the longer sentences kind of sit together, but in general, we're trying to space out our content with a line break between every sentence. Then when it comes to lists, we want to keep these together. You can see some nice in to out formatting here that we want to try and preserve when we're talking about lists. So something to watch out for when you're copy and pasting from your Notion. If we jump in, so here's this post in your Notion deck. I'm going to grab this. You can see that I have laid out the formatting in the way that I want it to be posted for you on LinkedIn. But when we go to actually paste this into LinkedIn, we've lost all that formatting. So a little bit frustrating, but definitely worth the effort to give your copy lots of room to breathe. So work through and just preserve that formatting, giving line breaks, lots of white space. Thought leadership niche. Okay. Just reread, look at where the lists are. Break that out into a new list. You can see very quickly we've got that formatting back. One other thing, if occasionally I've given you a call to action with a section break like this, just make sure you bring that in. Yeah, leave a line break there. And again, the other thing is you need to make sure if you've tagged yourself or you need to tag anyone else, make sure the tags are all preserved when you're posting across from LinkedIn. This is not the end of the world, but giving your post some formatting is a huge step in making your content easily digestible and skimmable for your target audience.